Now we begin to match the switch to the wireless remote control. Now we test the wireless remote control. You can see that nothing happened. Okay. Yes, nothing happened to the lamp. And this one also nothing happens. And now we begin to match it. Press the switch until it beeps, and then test it. It will finish the learning. And then we also use the second one to match it. Also, until it beeps for one time, and then press the remove and finish the learning. And then we use the third wireless remote control to match it. This one we only want it only for open but not for the close. And then also you need to press the keys until it beeps for twice, and then press the remove also and begin. And then you can feel that only for open, not for the close. Can you hear that the beep sound for twice? And then we test the 4. This one is the button remove control. This one we need to learn it only for close, not for the open. And press the keys until it beeps for 3 sounds. Then it will press the button remove control also. And now we show. And then you can feel that only for close, not for the open. And we use the fluid for only for open. Yes, only for close. Yes, it can be finished. And also our switch can match with the file remove control with the universal model. And now we use the small remove for test also. And also we only want it for the open and close. Press the keys until it beeps for 1 sound and then learn it. Yes. And now you can learn it, test it, one switch with the file remove control, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for test. 1, 2, this one only for open, and this one only for close, and the third one only open and close. So we recommend that one switch can be matched with file remove control.